Hello YouTubers, you're looking at a Glock 31 full size, chambered in the 357 SIG, the awesome Magnum powered 9mm. Anyway, purpose of this video, oh by the way, this is the skipper and this is my channel, Squeeze the Trigger. Anyway, the purpose of this video is to show a little thing that I learned how to do called the one-handed, no-touch, any surface Glock field strip breakdown. Let's try to make this quick, not too quick, but check this out. See what you think. First, we're gonna safety check. Woo! There you go. First thing you do, drop the mag, flip the gun around, push it forward a little bit, drop the safety, pull the trigger. There you go, one-handed.